In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually use Pinterest, okay, in order to earn money online, even if you don't want to sell anything. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can actually use Pinterest, this social network and search engine, in order to earn money online. And don't worry, guys, if you don't want to sell anything, definitely this strategy is going to be working. But something really important, guys, this is not something that is going to be happening magical or is going to be happening overnight. You need to watch the entire video, and most importantly, you need to be consistent with the implementation. If you really want to have really good results, you need to be committed with yourself. You need to be committed with your success. With that said, let me share with you my screen because there are several things that I want to make sure, and I actually want to make sure that we're going to be on the same page. As I mentioned before, definitely we are going to be using Pinterest. So with that said, the very first thing that you need is you need to open a business Pinterest account. This is 100% free account that you can uh, use. And the reason why we're going to be using a business Pinterest account is because it's going to have the tools that we actually need in order to develop this strategy. Okay. So now another thing is that you need to focus on one niche. Okay. A niche is a topic. Okay. I know that with Pinterest, you can have different boards and you can be like, okay, well, this is a common mistake that a lot of people do is like, I'm going to treat my Pinterest account as a magazine. So I'm going to be covering different topics. I'm going to be covering different niches. No. Okay. If you want to have more than one niche, open a separate Pinterest account so that people are going to be watching your pins. And if they click, they're going to know what you are talking about. Okay. You know, it's like, okay, now, in one account, you're going to be talking about water sports, and then you are going to be talking about the best restaurants. No, no, no. Okay. So, just in case that you're wondering, like, Diana, which are the most profitable online niches? Their health, wealth, and relationships. Does that mean that you cannot use another topic? I don't say that. Okay. So actually, if you see here, I'm going to be telling you what's the niche that we're going to be using. And it's going to be this one. It's going to be finance, giveaways, and business. Okay. This is the one that we are going to be covering. A really cool thing that I like about Pinterest is the fact that you don't need to have a huge following in order to have a lot of views. So if you see here, okay, here you're going to see that this person has, yes, 44,000 followers, but the monthly view is over 10 million. Okay, the monthly view is over 10 million. That's the reason why uh, this strategy is really powerful, because a lot of people forget the fact that Pinterest is social media, but it's also a search engine. And there is studies that says that more than 50% of the people who actually do a search on Pinterest, if they like what they see, they're going to make the purchase. Okay, so take that into consideration. But as I mentioned before, with this strategy, I'm going to show you how you can actually earn money, even if you are deciding that you're not going to be selling anything. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So the website that we are going to be using, it's called CPA Grip. CPA is called per action. So this is actually a way in which we can monetize our traffic. In this case, the traffic that we're going to be driving from Pinterest, even if you don't make a sale. Diana, does that mean that this strategy that you're going to show me do not work with, traditional affiliate marketing, like using websites such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Commission Junction? Yeah, it actually works, but I want to show you, because I know that there are going to be people out there who are looking for this type of website. CPA Grip is a website that has been around for a really long time. Uh, since 2013, it give you the ability to monetize traffic from different countries and different languages. I'm going to show you more about that in a moment. So you can actually open a 100% free account by clicking the link below. I'm going to be leaving you a link in the description. So once you have your account open, you are going to go here where it says offers, and then you're going to click here where it says my offers. Okay, here it's where you're actually going to go. And please make sure that you have all countries and all categories. Okay, you're going to click here where it says all countries and all categories. And I want to show you something really important. As I told you before, you can monetize traffic from different languages, different countries. For example, we have this one. I think it's actually Russian. Okay, yes, we have this one in English. I'm not 100% sure which language is this. Okay, this one is Spanish, Chinese. I'm not sure which language is this. So you're going to see that you have the opportunity to monetize different languages and different locations. And really, really cool is the fact that here you're going to see like what they're looking for. Okay, for example, this one, it's just for Apple devices, but also we can have like this one, like Android devices. We can have traffic from desktop. Okay, so really cool. And since this is CPA, people do not need to make the purchase. Okay, in some case, they need, for example, to submit a PIN. Here they need to install a mobile app. Here they need to provide an email address or a zip code. Okay, so you're gonna choose the one that you would like to go with. Let's say that I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and this is actually my link. Okay, this is actually my link. You're gonna copy it and you're gonna click it here. Okay, copy link. Okay, so oops, I skipped it. Okay, so right now they're paying from okay, for people who actually install the app, they're paying for every person who actually install it, they're gonna be paying you $1.30. Okay, you don't need to make any sale. Now, how are we gonna be working with this? You can actually promote as many offers as you want. Okay, but they need to be related. Okay, they need to be related. You can actually promote as many as you want. You can actually sort it here by payout. For example, we have this one, it's in Portuguese. It's paying over $10. This one is paying $10 as well. This one is paying $10 as well. Okay, so you're gonna choose the one that you want, and they can be related. For example, I can go with this one with remember, my case is going to be giving away. So I can says like, okay, I'm going to go with the Xbox gift cards, Wendy's gift cards, Hulu gift card, and Sneaker gift cards. Let's say that I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to be copying all the links. Okay, since people are not purchasing anything and we give them more options, we are going to have more possibilities to earn more money. So we're going to be using one of these two tools. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account. The very first one, it's called Beacons. Beacons, it's a website that I has been using for quite some time right now. And I can have all my social links. Okay, you can actually choose the design that you want. You can customize and you can add all your links. Okay, this is actually a a website that I like. It's really easy to use. It's drag and drop. Okay, so you're gonna be using the link below and you can open a free account. Another website that you can use, it's called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. This is a little bit more advanced, okay? But it gives you more tools. Again, by using the link below, you can open a free account and you need to go here where it says sites, digital stores, and you can choose the store that you want. And here you're going to have different links that you can actually use and you can customize it. Okay, you can create your own store and you can actually customize it. Now, we will need the images. Okay, the images on Pinterest, and this is something that I like, they do not need to be super complicated. Literally, you are just going to mention the fact that this is a giveaway. Okay, literally you're gonna mention that literally an image that is gonna be a text that says claim your 100 Wendy gift cards. That's it. Okay. So how you can actually gonna assign it? You can go to Canva, open a free account. You're gonna click here where it says Pinterest pin. Okay. And you're gonna choose the one that you want. It could be something super simple as this one. Okay. And people are gonna get it. So do not overcomplicate things. And this is another cool thing. You can have as many pins as you want promoting the exact same thing. Okay. So take that into consideration. Once you have the image and once you have your links up and running, you're going to be creating a new pin. You're going to upload the image. You're going to put here's the title. The title, it needs to be catchy. Okay. In this case, it's going to be remember claim your 100. I think it was when this gift card. Okay, I can put a brief description here. And here I'm going to put my link. The link that I'm going to be using in this case is going to be the one from Beacons or it's going to be the one from System.io. Okay, and you are going to be published. Cool things about Pinterest is the fact that you can decide that if you want to publish it right away or if you can program them and it's going to be published in the future. Okay, so the other thing is that if you use this strategy, you don't have to be worrying about the fact that these offers expires because sometimes they do expires. Although you're gonna see that we have really all offers here. For example, this one has been running since 2022. Some of them expire because some of them sometimes they're promoting like a movie or something like that, something super specific. And the only thing that you will need to do is update your link on Beacons or update your link on John's Story. Sorry, on the digital store here on System.io. Okay, so you're gonna have more options, more possibilities. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.